Hello my beautiful ladies, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach, and today my topic for you ladies is why he was interested in me at the start but now it's over. So I'm going to tell you step by step in 6 ways how gradually guys lose interest in the girls and why. So make sure to watch this video till the end not to make these mistakes. Ladies, when the guy is interested in you and you guys are bonding, usually how this goes. Things are going well with a guy, he is pursuing you, you have a bond, you have a connection, you have a really good time together. Gradually it's coming to the sex, right? So the step number 2, what happens is you guys have sex. If you bonded really well, if you establish the connection, if you really like each other, if you really connect, usually the sex is fantastic as well. So then you guys have sex together and everything's fantastic, it's wonderful, you know, you're enjoying it, he's enjoying it, it's crazy happy, right? What happens after sex? When there is a lot of bond, a lot of intimacy, a lot of connection, love and deep connection makes a guy's testosterone drop down and he naturally needs to pull away from a woman. When a woman is having sex, she bonds to a guy even more. When girls have sex, they release a lot of hormone called oxytocin. The other time when women release this hormone is through giving a birth to the child. This is why mothers have this bond to their babies. So when women have sex with a guy, they release a lot of oxytocin and they are naturally more connected, more in love with the guy. So you get the situation where the woman released so much oxytocin after sex. Now she's bonded to him more, she wants to spend time with him, she's like glued to him, she just had this amazing time together. And for a guy, during the sex, this connection makes a guy's testosterone drop down. So he wants to pull away from her, right? So what happens is the woman wants to chase him, the woman wants to be close to him, a man wants to pull away from her. Women don't have this pull away cycle after sex, so they don't get it when a guy pulls away. So please watch my video why men need to pull away, and you can find that video just by following this link right here. So now going back to the step 3, what happens? When the guy pulls away after sex, a woman doesn't get his pull away need because she doesn't have it need. What happens next? Now she just gave herself to him, there is bond, there is connection, she moved closer to him during the sex and now he is pulling away. It happens to a woman naturally, she starts to panic. She's panicking, she's like, what happened? You know, we had this bond, we had this connection, we have so much time together, he was so amazing, now he's pulling away. She's panicking, she feels like she's losing him, like nothing makes sense to her anymore. She doesn't get it, she cannot connect the dots, she's assuming the worst. She thinks like, oh my god, he used me, what has happened, why he's pulling away? And because she panics, she starts to act crazy. So she starts to text him, she starts to act needy, clingy, insecure, possessive. She might start to get upset, she might start to cry, she'll start wearing her heart on a sleeve. So she literally starts panicking and losing it. And when the guy is pulling away from her and she is losing it, it's actually the worst that you could possibly do. And when you're losing it, when he's pulling away from you, you start to turn him off. Ladies, how to behave with a guy after sex, please watch my video just by following the link right here. The 4th step, what happens after the woman starts losing emotional control, she gets so needy and insecure that she starts to pursue that guy. She becomes the pursuer, she starts controlling the guy, she starts acting needy, clingy, she starts going, where are you, who you with? What time can I see you? What do you think of us? Where is this going? He starts acting like a prince now, not like a princess. He was pursuing her when she was acting like a princess, when she was acting feminine. Now ladies, this is not what the guy signed up for, and it makes him lose interest in you even more. The fifth step, what start to happen when you behave like this, there is no need for a man to pursue you anymore, because you start doing all the pursuing, right? You start giving, you start to pursue, you start acting crazy, you wear your heart on a sleeve, you become an open book. There is no more challenge, there is no more mystery. Mystery is the power of seduction, not an open book. You give, 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 give. You make a guy feel safe and protected. Safety, nurturing, caring is actually our love need, not a man's love need. I mean, it's a little man's love need as well, but it's not the major man's love need. So you giving, 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 pursuing, wearing your heart on a sleeve, losing all the emotional control, he feels safe. He starts to feel safe and uninterested in you, because you are not behaving like a challenge, not what you were in the beginning of a relationship, when he was pursuing you, when you guys were bonding, when you guys were having fun together. Now you're just totally losing it. What happens next? He starts taking you for granted. What to do that the guy wouldn't take you for granted, please watch my video just by following the link right here. The sixth step, what usually happens in this scenario, you start seeing him slipping out of your fingers. So then you as a woman, you try and impress him more. You start giving away your friends, family, hobbies, dreams, ambitions, just to impress him more, just to be nicer and kinder to him, hoping that he will appreciate it more. What happens is you are giving your life away for him, and he starts losing interest in you even more, and he either breaks up with you or he starts to cheat on you. Ladies, please watch my video, how does loving yourself makes him love you even more, and you can find that video just by following the link right here. Ladies, as you've seen, I gave you a very general step-by-step guide how things go wrong in the relationships, and they go wrong just because you are not understanding each other. You don't know enough about the differences between men and women and how to complement one another, how to give each other what we need in order to keep that spice and attraction for one another. If you want to know how to fix this, please make sure to watch every single video which I have recommended in this little clip. And if you like this video, please press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Ladies, join my free high value women's school, where you will get a lot of help towards your relationship, totally free. Join my Instagram. My Instagram is private. It's called Ladies Relationship Coach, for the updates, little videos, and my lives. And if you would like me to hold your hand and help you to fix your relationship and bring out the best in your guy, you can always book me through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com. So thank you so much for watching, ladies. Have a beautiful day, and kisses from London. Mwah.